Hi guys, in front of me is Navitel T787 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first open the browser that you are using, tap on more icon then, and select history. Here, tap on clear browsing data, and now you've got basic and advanced features here to mark. So here you've got 3 options, then once you enroll advanced you will find a bit more, so smoothly mark those info that you want to get rid of. Then pick the time range, so you can remove data from past hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. I will choose all time, and then just click on clear data and tap on clear. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.